Agent teams take everything you have learned so far to the next level. Instead of working with a single instance, you can run multiple agents in parallel, each assigned a specific role. This allows you to simulate a team of developers working together on different parts of a task at the same time. With a single agent, work happens sequentially. One task is completed before the next begins. With an agent team, work happens in parallel. Multiple agents handle different responsibilities simultaneously, which significantly improves speed and efficiency. Each agent can also have its own focus and context. This specialization improves quality because each agent is optimized for a specific task. Agent teams are especially useful for complex workflows. For example, when building a feature, you can assign one agent to the front end, another to the back end, and another to testing. All three work at the same time instead of waiting for each other. They are also useful for tasks such as migrations, documentation, debugging, and full system implementations. However, coordination is critical. All agents must produce compatible outputs. Without alignment, different parts of the system may not integrate correctly. The best way to ensure coordination is through a shared specification. This specification defines data structures, API contracts, and expected outputs. All agents follow this document, ensuring consistency across their work. For example, if the specification defines an API response format, both front-end and back-end agents will follow the same structure. Agents can also be assigned different roles depending on the task. Some focus on building, such as front-end or back-end development. Others focus on quality, such as testing, reviewing, or security analysis. Some focus on documentation, creating guides, APIs, and examples. Others analyze systems, investigate bugs, or review architecture. For more complex workflows, you can define dependencies between agents. Some agents may need to complete their work before others begin. For example, an architecture agent can define the system design first. Then, development agents follow that design. Finally, testing and review agents validate the implementation. This creates a structured execution flow while still allowing parallel work where possible. Agents can also share outputs. The result produced by one agent becomes input for another. This allows the system to maintain consistency across all components. For example, an architecture definition created by one agent can guide both front-end and back-end implementations. When working with multiple agents, it is important to manage conflicts. If multiple agents attempt to modify the same file, issues can occur. This can be minimized by assigning clear responsibilities and separating work into distinct areas. Each agent should operate within a defined scope to avoid overlap. Monitoring is also important. You should track the progress of each agent, understand what tasks are being executed, and review outputs regularly. This ensures that all components align correctly. Best practices for using agent teams include defining a clear specification before starting, assigning roles carefully, limiting the number of agents to maintain control, monitoring progress continuously, and validating integration at the end. Agent teams can significantly increase productivity by enabling parallel execution and specialization. However, you remain responsible for direction, coordination, and quality control. The agents execute tasks, but you define the vision and ensure everything works together. This approach allows you to scale your work beyond what a single agent can achieve. In the next section, you will learn how to automate browser interactions using Playwright and integrate them into your workflows. See you in the next lecture.